Hey, it's Deborah Atkinson, best-selling author of Hot Not Bothered and You Still Got It, Girl, and the host of the Flipping 50 TV show. Every once in a while, because I'm here talking to you and a blogger, somebody who really believes in their product will send me a sample and ask me to review it, taste test it, or try it, depending on what it is. So I'm doing just that, and I love it. This is from Kettle and Fire, and it's bone broth, and I love bone broth, and so I'm gonna dig right in. And here's the thing, I love it because for all the women in my programs and or in private coaching, I recommend 3 meals a day with no snacking. And I know we learned that snacking is good, keeping your blood sugar stable is a good idea. But we've taken it to such an extreme when you're a woman going through hormone changes, whether you're in perimenopause, menopause, or even postmenopause. We sometimes need to give our digestive system a break because our gut health is very much related to our hormones. And if you want to kick your metabolism up, we need to be able to get from breakfast to lunch to dinner and close the kitchen with no snacks. And let your stomach figure out, am I hungry, am I tired, or am I thirsty? Instead of constantly giving it food so we can train it to burn fat. So these are amazing. So I've got chicken, mushroom chicken, and 2 more, of one more of each. So, okay, I think I'm just going to shuffle, not look, and then heat one up and try it right in front of you. So you get the taste test. All right, are you ready? So I went with the chicken and mushroom because actually that's something very different. I've never tried one before. One thing I want to point out is this has 10 grams of protein. So for a middle of the afternoon snack, that's probably, a great substitute for a cup of tea or a glass of water. It's also going to hydrate you. And there's a little bit more sodium in this than in some, which I actually like. So especially if you're doing it for rehydration after exercise, if you've had vigorous, moderate exercise and you've had it for a significant period of time and you're not getting sodium, you're not salting at the table, we've gone a little too far with that in some cases. So getting a little sodium is a good thing. And this time of year, when I'm recording, it's January. It's flu season, cold season, and this is a great thing to have on hand for sipping. And you want a little more sodium when you're doing that. So here's the test. This is about 40 seconds with a cup in the microwave. So I was in a hurry and did not go stovetop. Here we go. The chicken and mushroom is amazing. So here's my comparison. Compared to other bone broths that I've tasted, it's more full-bodied. It's definitely got more flavor. It's more satisfying, if you will. This would be a great addition to a soup calling for a broth or calling for water. I will often put a bone broth in it. So I've got that bump of protein in any soup that I'm making anyway. This would add just a little rich flavor to it as well. I love it. So Kettle and Fire, thanks so much. It's amazing.